I'll remember you. Long after this endless summer is gone, I'll be lonely, oh, so lonely, living only to remember. I'll remember too. Your voice as soft as the warm summer breeze. Your sweet laughter mornings after, ever after too. I'll remember you. Into your arms someday I'll return to stay. Till then I'll remember you. With every bright star we've made wishes upon. Love me always, promise always. Ooh, you remember too. I'll remember you.